So our next question is that we have to find prime factorization of each of the numbers. The first number is 40. Now how do we find prime factorization? Okay, maybe you have done in class 5 also. I'll show you. Now this is how we do the prime factorization. Now we will do a division of this particular number with the smallest possible table. Now we cannot use 1. Remember, 1 cannot be used in this method. The next smallest table that can be used to divide 40 is 2. 2 20s are 40. Okay, 2 20s are 40. Or you can even write it like this: 2 2s are 4, and for this 0 you just write 0 down below it. Now the next number that is to be divided is 20. Again the same table of 2 can be used. So you can see there, 20 is divided by the same 2's table. 2 10s are 20. Next again 10 can be also divided by 2. Let's see. See there, 2 5s are 10. Now you may think of dividing 5, but 5 cannot be divided. Remember why? 5 is a prime number. Prime numbers are not divisible by any other table except one's table and its own table. Now there is no point writing 5 again, and 5 1s are 5. No need to do that. And of course we cannot use 1 anymore. So we just stop at that number which is a prime number. So while dividing, if the last number that comes is a prime number, that is an indication for us to stop. So which are the prime factors of 40? These are the prime factors of 40. From where did I get them? I got them from here only. See the sequence? There are 3 2's. So there are 3 2's. At the end there is a 5. Here also at the end there is a 5. All these numbers are prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 5 also is a prime number. Since all of them are prime numbers, that's why we call them as prime factors. And we call them factors. Multiply them, you will see that you will get back 40. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So I hope you have understood how to get prime factors of any given number. The next question that is there is 54. So again this number 54 will be divided, and we will use the smallest possible table which can be used to divide 54. So the smallest possible table apart from 1 is 2. So again with 2 we can divide 54. So here it is. Now when I am using 2's table to divide 54, I use the first digit. 2 2s are 4, but here is 5 is there. How big is 5 than 4? 1. And what's the next digit next to 5? That is 4. So 1 and 4 is what? 14. So 2 how much are 14? 2 7s are 14. So 2 27s are 54. Next we will try to divide 27 also, but 27 will not go with 2's table. So let us try 3's table. So with 3's table, when I try to divide 27, 3 9s are 27. Again this 9 can be divided by 3's table. So 3 3s are 9. So the last number is 3. 3 is a prime number. So this is our indication that we have to stop. So which are the prime factors of 54? These are the prime factors of 54. That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. There you go. Prime factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. All of them are prime numbers. That's why they are called prime factors. You can check the answer. Multiply these numbers, you will get back 54. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. Next number you have is 81. Let's search the smallest possible table by which 81 can be divided. You cannot use 1. 2 does not divide 81. So what is the next number? 3. With 3's table, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is there in 3's table. So 81 will be divided by 3. Let's use 3's table to divide 81. Okay. So we will use the first digit 8. But 8 is not there in 3's table. So the nearest that you will get is 3 2s are 6. So from 6 to 8, how much difference? 6 to 8, the difference is 2. So the difference is 2. I have written on the side. And what is the next number that is there? 1. So write 1 besides 2. So what number you get there? 21. Now with 3, if you want to divide 21, 3 7s are 21. So thus we see that when you multiply with 3 into 27, then you get 81. Now next, try to divide 27 also with 3 stable. So we see 3 9s are 27. Again that 9 also can be divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 again. Okay, 3 3s are 9. So 3, the last number that you got, is a prime number. So that is our indication that we have to stop. We can't go on further anymore. So what are the prime factors of 81? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, there you go. Prime factors of 81 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Let's verify the answer. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 into 3 is 81. You can do it in the rough and find out. So thus we get the prime factors of 81. So the remaining of them I am going to send it to you by screenshot. I have solved them in my copy. I will send you the screenshots. Only the first 3 I have done for you in this video, just to make you understand how we calculate prime factors. So rest of them are solved in the copy, and I am going to send you the screenshot of that.